Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to remove the background noise, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now choose your preferred option. Here, click on New to start new project. Now choose the video that you want to remove the background noise from and click here to add it to your timeline. At first, we'll listen to the original audio.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is an example of how to remove background noise in InShot.
As you can see, my audio has some grains on it. So to remove it, simply select the audio option. Now select the video here. And now you can see the options like extract audio and denoise. Simply select the denoise option and click here to denoise your video. And now if we play our video, it'll sound like this.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is an example of how to remove background noise in InShot.
Click here to save changes. And just like that, we can remove background noise in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.